Welcome to AutoTruth, revealing the road ahead.
All right, let's just dive right into this explainer. Today, we're putting the fourth-generation Toyota Prius under the microscope to uncover the actual reality behind its legendary reputation. Now, the Prius has long been considered the ultimate indestructible workhorse, but when we peel back the layers and look at the real-world mechanic reports, a much more complex picture emerges. We're going to break down exactly what happens when you put a highly advanced hybrid ecosystem through a decade of harsh daily driving. Here's our roadmap for today's diagnostic journey. We'll start with the myth versus reality of its reliability. Then we'll look at some costly exhaust system traps, the silent engine killer known as the EGR, the car's electronics and suspension, official safety recalls, and finally, we'll wrap up with a real-world blueprint for longevity. Section 1. The myth of reliability versus reality. So, is this car truly indestructible? I mean, on paper, it looks flawless. We're talking about the gold standard of passenger fleets, boasting an incredible 40% thermal efficiency. When it launched on Toyota's new platform, it felt like a massive leap forward. But a decade out on the road, well, that's revealed some hidden, financially devastating vulnerabilities. You see, while Toyota fixed the old oil-burning issues, they introduced incredibly sophisticated systems that require a totally different level of maintenance. Just look at this quote right here. A terrifying $2,400 repair bill. Ouch. Quotes like that really shatter the illusion, don't they? They remind us that even the undisputed king of hybrids has its Achilles heels. When you blend complex software, tricky thermal management, and high-voltage electronics, the game changes. It's no longer just about doing your regular oil changes. It's about understanding the entire living ecosystem of the car. Section 2. Exhaust system traps. Okay, this absolutely blew my mind when I first saw it. Toyota introduced an exhaust heat recovery system, or EHRS, to warm up the car faster. But early batches had a serious design flaw. If the EHRS cracks, it flawlessly mimics a blown head gasket to an untrained eye. Literally identical symptoms. Because of extreme temperature swings, the heat exchanger cracks, dumping coolant right into the exhaust pipe where it vaporizes. You lose coolant, you get thick white smoke, you lose your cabin heat. It looks exactly like a catastrophic engine failure. And the financial stakes here are massive. You're looking at a jaw-dropping 13,000 PLN fix at the dealership versus a simple 300 PLN bypass trick. The dealer will try to replace the entire front pipe and catalytic converter. But savvy independent mechanics, they just bypass the coolant hoses around the exchanger entirely. It's a cheap, permanent fix, and honestly, it only adds a little bit of extra engine warm-up time. 60 to 120. Any guesses what that is? That is exactly how many seconds it takes a thief to slide under the car and saw off your catalytic converter. Literally 1 to 2 minutes. And they target hybrids specifically because the engines run cooler, meaning the converters have to be packed with significantly more precious metals, like platinum and palladium, to actually clean the exhaust. So how do you stop it? You've got to armor up. Owners absolutely need to install passive mechanical shields. You've got options, but the Pareto steel shield is the toughest physical barrier out there. Given the insane cost of replacing a stolen converter, investing 1,000 PLN upfront for a solid steel plate bolted to the chassis is basically a non-negotiable insurance policy if you park on the street. Section 3. The silent engine killer. Now, what's really terrifying is tracing the notorious engine death rattle back to its source. It all starts with EGR, or exhaust gas recycling system. Here's the fatal domino effect. Carbon clogs the EGR. Then your combustion temperatures spike, pre-ignition knocking begins, and finally, the head gasket blows. The clogged system makes the engine run way too hot under load, creating a knocking effect that literally hammers the head gasket from the inside out until it completely fails. But here's the good news. Catching this early is a total game changer. Doing a comprehensive routine cleaning of the EGR is a massive money saver compared to buying a whole new engine block. You have to clean the entire system, especially the cooler where the soot gets trapped. And honestly, if you drive mostly in the city or run a taxi, mechanics strongly suggest dropping that maintenance interval down to every 100,000 kilometers just to be safe. Moving right along to Section 4, electronics, battery, and suspension. Let's talk about the standard 12-volt battery, which causes an unbelievable amount of headaches for owners. It all comes down to parasitic drain. The crucial point here is that smart apps and telematics systems constantly ping the car, preventing the modules from fully going to sleep. If your trips are super short, the system doesn't have time to reverse the chemical sulfation inside the battery. The result? You walk out to a totally dead car that refuses to shift into ready mode. And what about the big high-voltage system? Honestly, it comes down to basic hygiene. Just vacuuming the cooling fan filter can extend your battery's life by 100,000 kilometers. The battery relies entirely on cabin air to stay cool. If that filter is clogged with dust or dog hair, the battery essentially bakes itself to death. Not to mention, letting the inverter overheat in city traffic can throw the car into limp mode and cost you thousands in repairs. Now, taking a look underneath, the Prius is obviously built to slice right through the wind. But that low 130mm ground clearance means that simple speed bumps or rough roads become active threats to your oil pan and transmission housing. Because of this, installing a cheap polyurethane suspension lift kit is highly recommended by mechanics. It totally transforms the daily drivability of the car without breaking the bank. Then there's the famously bulletproof e-CVT planetary gearbox. It doesn't have a traditional belt or chain, making it incredibly durable. But here's the catch: even this tank of a transmission needs fresh fluid. Around the 300,000 kilometer mark, the main bearings can start to whine. Changing the fluid regularly flushes out metal shavings before they get a chance to chew up the internal electric motors. Section 5. Recalls and brakes. Before we finalize our whole maintenance strategy, we have to talk about official safety recalls. Staying on top of these is absolutely non-negotiable. For example, make sure your vehicle's software is updated to fix a critical flaw in newer models where rain can actually short-circuit the electronic switch. Yeah, you heard that right. A water leak can literally fling your rear doors wide open while you're driving down the road. There's also a major recall for a wiring harness that can rub against the chassis and spark a fire, so definitely get those checked. And remember that horrific $2,400 quote from earlier? Here's your warning sign. If your ABS pump is constantly buzzing while you're just sitting at a stoplight, your brake actuator is on the verge of death. The system uses a high-pressure accumulator, and when it starts leaking internally, the pump has to run every few seconds to compensate. If you hear that mechanical buzzing non-stop, prepare your wallet. Section 6. The prescription for longevity. We've looked at all the terrifying symptoms, so let's flip the script. Here is your actionable, bulletproof blueprint to keep your total cost of ownership incredibly low. Treat the EGR cleaning as gospel. Armor the underside of the car, vacuum that battery filter regularly, and give the transmission the fresh fluid it craves. If you proactively use these 4 cheat codes, you bypass the catastrophic failures, and this car will outlast almost anything else on the road. So it really forces us to step back and ask, is the Prius 4 still the undeniable king of reliability, or does it just demand a much more educated driver these days? The engineering is absolutely brilliant, but let's be real. It's uncompromising. Treat it right, and it rewards you with incredible efficiency. Treat it with ignorance, and those repair bills are going to catch up fast. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I hope this deep dive helps you hit the road with a lot more confidence.